Are you trying to pick the best grease for brake maintenance without getting overwhelmed? Don't worry, I'm here to break down the top options and tell you exactly what to look for. Today, I'm going to be going over the best grease for brake that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the AGS Automotive Solutions SIL-Glyde. From the moment you unbox, AGS Automotive Solutions SIL-Glyde communicates purpose with a clean presentation and clear labeling for professionals, targeting professional brake technicians and serious DIYers. This product promises reliable lubrication during high-temperature braking cycles and heavy load scenarios. Its intended audience appreciates non-drip formulation and ease of application, even in confined brake caliper spaces today. Constructed with a robust ceramic thickener and a high-temperature resistant base, the AGS Automotive Solutions SIL-Glyde feels sturdy in hand. The blend maintains a smooth viscosity across operating temperatures, and the included nozzle enables precise placement in tight pads without slinging. Dimensions and packaging are compact enough to fit standard toolboxes while also enabling multiple reapplications before replacement easily. The AGS Automotive Solutions SIL-Glyde operates across a wide temperature span, roughly -40 to +300 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring stable lubrication. Another standout feature is corrosion resistance under high humidity environments, reducing pad galling and extending caliper life considerably. The formula includes a metal binding additive that minimizes washout in wet brake cycles, improving consistency under repeated braking events. In practical brake fade tests, the product maintained consistent viscosity and prevented squeal longer than typical lithium-based competitors. In field trials with medium-duty vehicles, temperatures near highway braking cycles stayed within expected range, supporting reliable stopping performance. Overall performance remains steady with only minor temperature-dependent variance during extended heavy use cycles in lab simulations. Compared to the leading competitor Xterra Brake Lube, the AGS Automotive Solutions SIL-Glyde exhibits lower friction rise during repeated high heat cycles. The pros include excellent high-temperature stability, low friction under repeated braking, and precise nozzle for placement, enhancing accessibility. The cons include higher price compared to budget brake lubricants and limited availability in some regions, which may influence procurement decisions. At number 4, we have the Keze Ceramic Brake Grease. From the initial packaging to the tactile feel during handling, the Keze Ceramic Brake Grease communicates professional intent for mechanics and enthusiasts. The formulation hints at a ceramic compound that promises long-term stability and compatibility with a wide range of braking systems. Build quality feels robust, with precision-molded shoulders on the nozzle and a cap that threads smoothly, reducing cross-contamination risk. The exterior employs a matte finish with crisp engraving for batch and lot numbers, aiding traceability in professional workshop environments. Its compact cylindrical profile fits drawers and tool chests, while maintaining a sturdy weight distribution to prevent accidental drops. The labeling uses high-contrast fonts alongside metric markings, enabling quick, confident dose estimation under shop lights or outdoor site conditions. The base grease carries a ceramic additive package that reduces metal-to-metal friction and stabilizes viscosity under load spikes. The formulation includes a water-resistant sealant that protects the lubricating film from washout during wet braking cycles. It operates effectively within a broad temperature window, reducing drying and hardening during mounting and in heavy weather conditions for consistent performance. The grease employs a ceramic reinforced matrix to resist washout and maintain lubricity under high pressure and rapid braking cycles. In limited field trials, the Keze Ceramic Brake Grease delivered steady pedal feel and predictable engagement across street and track-style braking sessions. During cold starts, it maintained viscosity enough to prevent dry pads from clattering, while not causing excessive stickiness in light daily commutes. Compared to a leading competitor like Lundix Nano Grease, the Keze shows more reliable performance in wet conditions and less audible squeal. The pros include outstanding wear protection, notable friction reduction, and exceptionally easy application across multiple brake configurations tested worldwide. The cons include higher price point that may strain hobby budgets and limited availability in regional distributors and online channels. At number 3, we have the Keze High Temp Brake Caliper Grease. From the moment you unbox, the packaging communicates a professional automotive-grade product and a promise of consistent lubrication under high heat. This grease clearly targets professional mechanics and serious enthusiasts who demand reliability in high-torque braking systems during track days and street use. The bottle and nozzle are designed to minimize waste, featuring a precision cap that dispenses a controlled bead without stringing. The shell uses a heat-stable composite container that resists cracking under repeated thermal cycling while remaining comfortable to grip. Its compact form is complemented by clear labeling and a compact nozzle threading that allows seamless integration into standard brake greasing setups. The product base is a synthetic high-temperature grease with PTFE carriers, delivering low friction and durability in braking environments. It claims a temperature range up to 300 degrees Celsius, maintaining pliability and preventing caliper seizure during aggressive heat cycles. The formulation is water-resistant and silicone-free, reducing risk of moisture ingress that could compromise lubrication. Designed to resist pad transfer and to stay stable under vibration, it adheres well to metal surfaces without slinging during track sessions. In simulated brake cycle tests, it demonstrated reduced wear on caliper pins and quieter operation under high heat. During live track testing, teams reported smoother application of torque and consistent pad retraction due to steady lubrication. The braking response remained predictable in wet conditions, indicating robust water resistance and stable viscosity at varying temperatures. In direct comparison with Bondtest Extreme Caliper Lube, Keze High Temp Brake Caliper Grease offers superior high-temperature stability and easier application. The pros include excellent heat resilience under extreme temps, long-lasting lubrication with fewer reapplications, and easy to apply. The cons include higher price and bulky nozzle. At number 2, we have the AGS Brake Assembly Lubricant. This premium product presents a compact, weatherproof tube with precise calibrations, signaling a professional-grade lubricant engineered for serious brake maintenance. From the packaging, it is clear the contents amount to a practical 60 ml tube, optimizing on-site usage and waste reduction. Ideal for professional technicians and DIY brake enthusiasts alike, this product promises predictable performance in both shop bays and home garages. Its packaging features clear instructions, a clean cap design, and a grease-resistant seal that reduces leakage during storage and transit. Engineered to resist brake dust, moisture, and contaminants, the lubricant maintains viscosity and adhesion, delivering consistent performance through mountain drives and city commutes. One standout feature is its wide operating temperature range, remaining effective from freezing winters to scorching summer conditions in demanding braking environments. The formula uses a synthetic base with corrosion inhibitors, reducing moisture uptake and extending pad and rotor compatibility across diverse brake systems. In practical testing, the AGS Brake Assembly Lubricant exhibited low friction coefficients, promoting smoother caliper operation and quieter brake engagement during routine stops. In field trials across daily commutes and light hauling, users reported reduced squeal, smoother piston movement, and noticeably less rotor dust. Durability under repeated braking cycles showed the lubricant maintaining film integrity, minimizing heat spots, and preserving pad life in medium-intensity driving. The nozzle aperture measures 2.5 mm, enabling precise flow and cleaner application, preventing wandering onto adjacent components during service. In practical terms, analysts note the AGS Brake Assembly Lubricant offers a balanced performance profile that suits mixed driving needs. When placed beside Vortex Lube Pro Brake, AGS provides similar wear protection but with easier application and better value for hobbyists. The pros include superior anti-wear protection, excellent high-temperature stability, and long-lasting lubrication. The cons include slightly pricey and limited regional availability. At number 1, we have the BTAS Brake Grease. From the moment you unbox BTAS Brake Grease, you sense a professional product aimed at serious maintenance enthusiasts. The target audience includes DIY mechanics, performance aficionados, and workshops seeking reliable long-term protection for braking systems. Its value proposition centers on clean application, predictable performance, and broad compatibility across pads, rotors, and calipers everywhere. Construction uses a reinforced metal canister with a clear seal and ergonomic cap, reducing leakage during storage significantly. Dimensional notes indicate a compact 2.75-inch diameter bottle with a 4.5-inch height, designed for easy glove box or toolbox placement. User experience focuses on a smooth nozzle delivery and a viscous yet pump-friendly formula that spreads evenly. The BTAS Brake Grease exhibits a PTFE fortified composition with high heat resistance and low evaporation, preserving lubrication under stress. A standout feature is its anti-corrosion package that forms a protective film on metal surfaces without attracting dust. The product specifies compatibility with steel and cast iron components and a wide operating range for ambient conditions. Lab-approved viscosity and a broad melting point profile enable consistent lubrication across friction points during heavy braking. In field tests on performance bikes and daily commuters, BTAS Brake Grease reduced pad squeal and improved pedal feel over thousands of miles. Another test confirmed consistent lubrication during repeated hard braking, maintaining rotor temperature within expected limits and showing stable friction coefficients. Compared to a budget copper-based grease, this formulation maintains smoother operation and longer service intervals under heat. The pros include exceptionally high heat resistance, excellent water resistance, reliably long-lasting lubrication, and effortless application for yearly maintenance. The cons include higher price than average brake greases and slightly thicker consistency that can complicate precise application.